Hello ticklers, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. I mean, I know this channel is usually a motorcycle channel. However, if we take a look at this down here, it's a 724cc. This thing's basically a Honda Shadow, but what we're dealing with today is a Craftsman zero-turn lawnmower, and we're gonna see just how good it is. We're gonna put it through the ringer. You know, I'm not gonna have any instruction on how to ride it, so you guys are gonna see my initial struggles and perseverance through it, and I think we might be taking it mudding. We're gonna go ahead and get Bonar Garage in here. He is the owner. Call him Bonar Garage. His name's actually Sheriff Bo now, but we're gonna have him come in here and back it out for us.
He's got a cam in her.
This guy tells me that this thing can wheelie, so oh, she can wheelie, all right. All right, as y'all can see, I have a speedometer pulled up on my phone, and I don't have pockets because in order to ride one of these machines, you need three things: cowboy boots, an American flag onesie, and balls of steel. My phone fits in here. That's where my speedometer is gonna be. But anyway, I have no instruction on how to operate this machine. Let's go ahead and pull up. Is that it? No, hold up. Oh, okay. Well, this is a little, hold up. I'm gonna be in neutral, right? Okay. What is going on here?
That's another nigga.
I'm a little confused. Oh, there we go. We figured it out, guys. Now, I have ridden one zero-turn before, so this isn't completely foreign to me. However, I've not ridden this one, and this one is a little bit sketchy, so let's go. What is wrong with this thing? I feel like I'm in Star Wars. Alright, I need to go get some pointers. I don't know if it's always just like this or what. I need some tips.
What sort of tips are you looking for?
It doesn't want to go forward.
That sounds like a personal problem, actually. It sounds like you broke it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Have you tried pushing this forward?
I have, yes.
And that didn't work?
It likes to pull, and then, you know, just...
Yeah. I've had similar experiences, and what I did was crank the throttle all the way up.
Okay. Is that what we should try?
Yeah, I start it slow, and then you crank it up.
Okay. Yeah, that's how you wheelie it too, huh? Okay, gotcha. Okay. Okay.
You knocked the crust out.
Yeah, it tends to do that. I think this thing has more torque than my YZ. Let's get out of these people's way. Got a little bit of a one-tire fire. We'll park here, wait for them to move on past. Oh, I think they're gonna strike. Oh, nope. Hello.
That's normal.
Yeah, it does some one-tire fires. Oh my god. Oh, this thing is exhausting to ride. I think I'm doing it. I'm getting the hang of it, guys. Now, if I go like this, it wants to kill me. Anyway, I think I'm ready. You know, once you get the hang of it, it's actually a pretty smooth ride, so I can't knock on it too much. It's got power. It wants to wheelie. it's pretty quick. 4 miles per hour, so pretty quick. I think I did pretty good.
I mean, I have no complaints. I think you returned her back in the same shape I got her in.
Yeah, you know, I was going up that street, got a few funny looks.
That's not good.
Averaged 4 miles an hour. Top speed was 4 miles an hour.
And full throttle?
Full throttle.
Wow, I thought it'd have more than that. It's a lot scarier when you're riding.
Well, you know, that's modulated. I have not mastered the machine yet.
I see.
But I think I was doing pretty good. That whole time I was coming back here, full throttle. It was nice and smooth.
No complaints. You hold like one further.
Just a little bit. You know, the way I operate this machine is I kind of use just one hand and I use throttle.
Oh yeah.
And then I just kind of push with my thumb, and it's like a manual, you know, you gotta.
I see. You got a console shift. I like it.
Yeah. All right, this is the point of the video where we go ahead and send it. It appears I may be stuck.
Hey, Sheriff Bo here. A little birdie told me you got stuck.
I did, man. You want to help out?
I'll rip you out right now.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Sheriff.
No problem, man.
All right, well, we got stuck a second time. I think it's safe to say, if you're looking for a zero turn, this particular one is a pretty good beast, and it can handle a lot, but I'll go ahead and end this video. I'm filming a second video right now with Sheriff Bo as well. So I'm going to end this one here. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like and subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subs by mid-February. That would be awesome. But anyway, until next time, peace.